Hey guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like this is my office now. It's actually my lounge slash kitchen, but office space. I am back today with a recent pickup slash sneaker unboxing. Don't forget, everything is linked in the description box below, and give this video a massive thumbs up. That would mean so much. I've got some things that aren't open and some things that are open. Now, I always get really wary of unpackaging things on camera because I think the last time that I ever unpackaged something like straight from the packet on YouTube with you guys was when I unboxed a certain backpack, and I opened the backpack and it was not there. So I hope that is not the case today, fingers crossed. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We are at 98,000 subscribers. And still, please leave your giveaway ideas in the comments below. This video today is actually sponsored by the guys over at Flannel, so a massive thank you to Flannel for sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna save the unpackaging bit till last. I got a couple of things this week already. I went on a night out with my friends the other night. We went to see Camel Fat at XOYO. Every time I've mentioned Camel Fat to people, everyone's like, who? I wanted a new shirt to wear for that night, so I ordered this from ASOS. Actually needs a bit of steam because I've not washed it since I wore it on Saturday night. But it's only £35, can you believe it or not? And I'm absolutely in love with it. I've actually seen quite a lot of similar kind of revere collar shirts on Instagram with this kind of photographic print all over them. They've always been really obscure or expensive brands like Wacko Maria or Subi. So to see one on ASOS and Reclaim Vintage was absolutely a dream come true. So it's black and white with these kind of eye-faced photographs all over it, and it's got the revere collar shirt. I need to put my phone on silent. So yeah, £35 ASOS. I got it in a large. Until further notice, everything is a large. Except this is a medium. So along with my fuzzy misbehaved monster coat, which got 10,000 likes on Instagram, can we please just give that a moment a second. This is also from the same brand, Misbehave, so I got it at the same time as the coat, and it is a snake print cardigan. I've not had a cardigan in I don't know how long, because I used to hate them, and seeing a lot more cardigans around lately, I'm like, wow, I really want to try a cardigan again. So I thought this snake print one was definitely the way to go. Yeah, I got it in a medium, because Misbehave is already pretty oversized anyway. I've got the coat in a medium too, so I'm loving snake print at the moment. I did have a pair of snake print trousers a while ago, orange ones from ASOS that I then sold because they were nice, but not like a staple piece, but they were orange, so that's probably why.
Wanna hit the top floor and get topped off, typing to these rap blogs, like put me on, got my eyes on the M's now, so back off when these motherfucking tapes drop. We gon' pop, just watch, I'm on. So
you know that I only work with brands I absolutely love. Flannels is a brand that I've worked with for quite a long time now. I used to shop on there before I even started working with them. They're a really trusted store here in the UK. They're actually opening a store on Oxford Street really soon. They've got some really awesome brands on there, including the first piece I'm going to show you, which is from Palm Angels. Now, if you haven't heard of Palm Angels, they are awesome. I will put some pictures of their runway collections on the side here. They are kind of streetwear, but I think they're moving to a more like elevated streetwear kind of place. They've got like a skate shoe vibe, and they've got flames on the side. They are super distressed, and they've got Palm Angels logos here and on the back. The laces themselves as well say Palm Angels Fall Winter 18, which is a really nice addition. I actually took them on my trip to Portugal, which I just went on, and wore them a lot. They also have the Palm Angels logo on the tongue as well. I got them in a UK 9 and they fit true to size. They're just really easy to kind of throw on. Even with like smart trousers and a shirt and stuff like that, they look really nice. They appear casual, but in actual fact, they can be worn with kind of smart stuff too.
Flip the script, we ain't never gonna be hip to hip. 17-hour days, ain't sick of this. Hoping clothing pop off on some business shit.
Let's move on to this bad boy. Watch me struggle to open it. What's really nice about the Flannels packaging is that it all comes in these really nice kind of dust bags. So you get this big Flannels dust bag. Ooh. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay, so the first thing, so there's two things in here, but before the shoes, I got this. It is the off-white 80s vintage t-shirt. Now, I love an off-white t-shirt. Definitely more laid back, and it's super boxy. It's kind of a vintage vibe with a pocket on it, and it says off-white, and it has a little purple tag here, which is a really nice touch. I think some off-white tees can look too kind of logo-y, especially if they have like the diagonals on the back or the big arrows and stuff. So I really prefer like a more plain piece. I'm a lot more interested in the shape and the fit of something rather than what it has on it necessarily, so.
Coming in when I lay my head, bout my ABCs and the Chuck E. Cheese. Give a fuck if y'all don't fuck with me. Fuck talk, we gon' scrap if you.
And finally, the behemoth that is these shoes. This box is huge. Oh, that's fun, isn't it? Ta-da! This is really cute. I've had a lot of Gucci trainers in the past and they've never come in such a fun box. They've always just been that classic Gucci box. They really got happy-go-lucky with their packaging. They are beasts! It is the FLASHTREK trainer. Let's take them out properly so we can have a proper look at these. So what I think is different about these sneakers is that they are following the whole dad trend of being like chunky, ugly sneakers, but with like they tend to focus on the sole being bigger, whereas these are kind of just like all out clunky. We're seeing the rise of like this kind of shoe, especially with brands like Buffalo being restocked on different websites, and like Fila Disruptors or Destroyers, whatever they are called, and then brands like ASOS as well. So it's really interesting to see this kind of style kind of like rise up into the mainstream. A really nice colorway, especially for winter as well. And then they have Gucci on the tongue, written in that kind of Sega font. So let's try these bad boys on.
Down to die, I ain't been the fucking same since my ass was beat. They didn't even fight back. 4 years still, I ain't let that time pass. Next one approaching wrong, better get smacked. See them try to be like Dirk.
That's it for my sneaker unboxing and recent pickups. I hope you've enjoyed this kind of style of video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget, everything is linked in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
With a step back, I don't need no morphine.